name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will create something for Halloween because Halloween is coming, and we will create something very simple and very quick. What I will be using? I will be using 3D objects I downloaded from pixelsquid.com. Also, I will be using Adobe Paper Texture Pro. If you're a Creative Cloud subscriber, all these textures are free for you. And let's start. I have opened Adobe Photoshop, and also I have created my simple document. And of course, guys, you can create your document in any size you like. Now I have only one layer number 1 with black color. Now I will switch to Pixel Squid library. I will switch my library to demo library, and here, guys, I have 3D object I would like to work with. Let me scroll down my library. Okay, here I will click on this beautiful map, old pirate map, and now I would like to rotate it. I can rotate my 3D object directly from Pixel Squid plugin window, and I will simply rotate it just like this. Let's see. Yes, maybe a little bit more, just like this. Yes, definitely I can increase a size of my 3D object just like this, maybe a little bit, just like this, and I will click OK to accept this layer. Now I will tell Pixel Squid plugin that yes, I would like to have shadow in my 3D object, and also I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. So I will switch from a low to high resolution. Now I would like to add another 3D object into my document. I will click on add new in the same Pixel Squid plugin window, and here if I will scroll down, I have this beautiful 3D object. Let's see, pumpkin. Let's use pumpkin. I will click on pumpkin just like this, and voila, I can rotate my pumpkin just like this, and definitely I can reposition it. Also, I can make it bigger or smaller. It's up to us. Maybe I will make it a little bit smaller, and voila, I will click OK to accept all changes. And of course I would like to have shadow under my pumpkin, and I would like to have my pumpkin in high resolution. Now guys, I think maybe I will bring another 3D object between my map and my pumpkin. I will highlight my treasure map highlight layer, I will click on add new, and I believe I have this beautiful book I downloaded from Pixel Squid. Let's see. Yes, I will click on this book 3D object, and voila, I will rotate it. I will reposition it directly under my pumpkin, and I will tell Pixel Squid that I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. And voila. Now I need to reposition my pumpkin. I will click on pumpkin layer, and I will simply bring my pumpkin a little bit upper. Perfect. Maybe I will make my books smaller. Yes, yes, yes. A little bit smaller. Perfect. And in this case, I will bring size of my pumpkin down as well. Perfect. This is how I want it. Why pumpkin? Because it's autumn. Why not? Now guys, I will highlight my background layer, and I will click on another 3D object in my Pixel Squid plugin. Now I will add this beautiful candle. I will click on it, and voila, definitely I will rotate it, and I will reposition. And definitely I will reposition it just behind my map, and I will scale size down. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And again, I will ask 3D pixelsquid.com pixelsquid plugin to have my 3D object in high resolution. So I will simply switch from low to high resolution, and also I will confirm that yes, I would like to have shadow in my 3D object, just like that. Now guys, what I will do, I would like to add another 3D object. I will click on add new. I will switch my library to, let's see, holiday library. And here I have this beautiful flower. Of course, I can rotate it. I can reposition it. I will click OK, and I will rotate it. And I will switch from low to high resolution, of course. Now, guys, my flower's kind of under my map. So I will click on my flower layers, and I will drag this layer on top of my map layer. And here I can reposition it. As you notice, guys, I need to move my layer on top of my book layer. And now I'm happy with my composition, just like this. I love my composition. I love everything. But I don't like my light. So what I will do, I will highlight my top layer, my pumpkin layer, just like that. I will click on adjustment panel, and here, guys, we have exposure adjustment. I will click on exposure adjustment, and I will bring exposure down, just like this. Because, guys, I applied adjustment as a separate layer, now I have adjustment layer with layer mask applied to my adjustment layer. I will activate my adjustment layer. I will switch to gradient tool from preset from black to transparent, radial, and opacity 40%, and I will paint out my adjustment layer just slightly, just like this. I will bring opacity of my layer, my gradient tool down to 21, and I will bring a little bit highlight around my flower, just like this. And now I'm happy with my light. Few extra steps. I will click on my background layer, black background layer, layer 1, and I will add Adobe Texture, Adobe Paper Texture Pro. Guys, these textures are free for you. If you are Creative Cloud subscriber, all these beautiful textures are free for you. I will click on texture I would like to use, and voila. Let me zoom out my document for better preview for you guys. By default, my texture applied with overlay blend mode. I would like to change this blend mode. Let's see what I like the most. Let's see. Yes, I love a hard light, and now I would like to reposition my paper. So I will click on move tool, and I will simply move it just slightly up. I'm sorry, I made mistake. I touched my adjustment layer. Just like this, guys. Look at this. And now I will bring down opacity of my texture. Just like this. And now we have completely different story. Now we have some drama going on our background and everything like that. Now I will highlight my top layer. In our case, it's our adjustment layer. It could be any other layer, doesn't matter. Just highlight top layer, and let's see what texture I would like to apply right now. We have so many wonderful choices. I will click on this texture. Let's see, and as you can see, Photoshop applied this texture with overlay blend mode. I will change blend mode. Let's see to which one. Yes, multiply. Now, guys, we have drama going on because it's Halloween. And the best part, because we are working with layers, Photoshop is amazing, right? Because we are working with layers, I can bring down opacity of this layer. And voila, guys, look at this. Now, I will merge all my layers. I will simply click flatten image. I will duplicate this layer and I will go to filter, camera raw filter. I will increase exposure slightly. I will increase contrast to more drama. I will bring down blacks. I will increase more Halloween effect. Let's see shadows, and I will move shadow slider slightly to the right. Now everything, all my these beautiful 3D objects in focus in our view. Maybe I will apply one more step. I will switch to profiles, and here I will click on artistic profiles. Guys, look at this. We have so many profiles we can work with. Let's see. I will click on artistic 02 profile, and I have ability to increase or decrease amount of intensity of my profile applied to my image. So I will move my slider about 61. I will close my profile browser and I will increase exposure slightly, guys. And I will click OK. And this is our image before camera raw, and this is after. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. This is how easy you can create anything from scratch for your upcoming Halloween extravaganza. So guys, thank you so much for being with me. Super appreciate it. And again, if you will create anything after this tutorial, please share your creation on Twitter and tag me with your creation. I really want to see what you created after my tutorial. Thank you guys for your time. Super appreciate it. And I will see you later. Bye.